Hi guys, hello again. I'm Carlos and today I'm gonna present to you a very traditional and very simple recipe. It's a Mexican salsa verde. So for the salsa verde, the main thing that you're gonna need is tomatillos. If you can't find them fresh, nothing beats fresh tomatillos. Otherwise, you can do what I did, just buy them tin, keep out the water, you don't need it. And it's better when you buy them whole, not crushed. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like one side of a green apple. Green is better because it has a nicer acidity that marries better with the tomatillo. So I'm just gonna roughly dice it. After that, just one jalapeno, fresh and raw. I'm just gonna get rid of the stem and that's it. Then for the onion, I'm gonna use maybe like half of this small onion. For garlic, I'm just gonna go for half of it. Because this is a raw salsa, I don't wanna use too much of it. Raw garlic can overpower all your recipe, so just like this is more than enough. And then lastly, something that's gonna give me a lot of color, especially because I'm not using fresh tomatillos, is gonna be fresh coriander. And this is gonna also bring that vibrant green that I'm missing from the fresh tomatillos. So again, I'm just gonna roughly run my knife through it. All right, and now all we need to do is blend everything together. So I'm gonna start with my tomatillos, then the apple, the garlic, the onion, I think this should be enough, the jalapeno chili, then a lot of fresh coriander, and I'm using the stems and the leaves. I like everything. And you don't need to worry about the stems because this salsa is meant to be rustic, so you don't need to make something really, really smooth. From this, I'm gonna add a little bit of just water for consistency, and then a bit of salt. For salt, remember, you can always add more, you can never take away, so start with a little bit less than you think, and then you can always season it more. And now, I blend it. And to blend it, I'm gonna start on low, and then I'm gonna bring it higher speed. So now all I need to do is just pour the salsa on my bowl. Just look at the texture. Okay, so you can do many things with this salsa. However, for this one, I'm just gonna pair it in a very classic and simple way with some tortilla chips. Okay, so let's give it a go. You see here, this is a very, very nice texture, very nice thickness. And this color is not gonna last forever, so make sure that you finish it that same day where you cooked it. Oh man, this takes me back. The nice thing about tomatillo is that it has an acidity that no other fruit has. The green apple can help that sweetness and acidity, but the tomatillo is like no other fruit. The good thing about pairing it with food is that it gives you a contrast for any kind of dish. In Mexico, we eat it a lot with pork, for example, so that it cuts through the richness of the pork, but it goes well with fish, chicken, vegetables, and of course, blanco niño tortilla chips. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it and try it at home, and let us know your comments. Bye-bye.